viewers, welcome back. In the previous videos, I have shared about simple reflex agent and model-based reflex agent. Now, I would like to discuss about goal-based agent. So coming to the goal-based agent, as the name suggests, it has a specific goal. So it works based on the goal information. It will always compare its actions with the goal and relate to the goal, whether it is able to reach the goal. If it performs a specific action, then only it will perform that action. So let us see the block diagram first. Here we have the environment and the sensors are perceiving something from the environment. They are going to provide the information to the agent about what the world is like right now. And also it will have some prior information. The agent has some prior information regarding the state at which it is right now, that is the environment, and how the world evolves, that is how the environment is even without the agent, and how the actions of the agent will influence the environment. This information is already with the agent. And now see the new block, that is if you compare model based and goal based, this is the new block given here. What is given? What it will be like if I do action A. That means what? There are a set of sequences of actions which need to be performed by the agent. The agent will look for all possible solutions to a problem, and then it will decide what will happen based on its actions. That is, if it does a action A, what will be the outcome? If it does action B, what will be the outcome? Whether it is goal oriented, that is what it is going to check. If it performs action C, for example, then if the agent is able to perform better and reach the goal, it will choose option C as its first action. So here the agent is going to behave in a way that it needs to reach the goal. And to reach the goal, which action will make it reach the goal better? So what it will be like if I do action A? So it will think up to that extent and then only perform the action. Here it is more like goal based than the condition rule based algorithm. The agent's actions are influenced by the goals, and so the actuators will perform the actions which will have an impact on the environment. So here if we observe, what will make the agent happy? That is what it will think of. That is, it will think what action it should do. So these type of agents, if you see, they will spend more time in observation and planning, and then only they will go for executing the operations. Whatever task need to be accomplished, they will be accomplished only after proper planning. They will plan whether it is goal oriented or not. So goal based agent will not only know the current state, but in addition to it, it needs the goal information. Based on the goal information, it will decide which is the desirable action to be performed. Okay, so this is a goal based agent. For example, in a self-driving car, if we ask it to go to a specific destination D, it will go to the destination based on the environment, that is based on the observations, traffic, the policeman, the diverted routes. It will reach the goal, but it will think if it takes this route, will it reach the goal? So it will plan well ahead on which route to traverse through to reach the goal. So self-driving car with a planned path can be an example for goal-based agent. Now I hope this lecture is clear and you got some idea about goal-based agent. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends, and also subscribe for regular videos and updates on AI. Thank you.